Hello everyone, this is Crypto Maximalist. Welcome back to another video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and get involved if you like the content. We're currently running a giveaway for those who are liking our videos, so give the video a like if you want to be entered into that giveaway. So we are just taking a look at XRP here, and as you can see, looking like we are still stuck under that bear market resistance we were talking about before. You can see resistance, 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 and now looking like, we have come up and retested it again. Very interestingly, XRP is actually looking very strong right now, isn't it? You'd probably say realistically you've got a range high somewhere up in this region here. Retest the low, and the low, and we've actually come up here to retest the high. We've smashed all the way through it, haven't we? And we've got stuck under this level here, this previous key level of support at around 55 cents. Retested it as resistance twice here, and then we have had a little bit of a consolidation period where we've come down, we've retested the previous range high support multiple times here, which is interesting to see. You can see a little bit of a bearish divergence here. So we did come down, sitting pretty much perfectly on that 55 EMA for a good while here, forming a little bit of a very strong support level. That previous resistance flipped into support at the top of the range. And you can see here now that we've actually come up and retested that bear market resistance again, where we are currently getting a bit of a rejection, aren't we? You can see we ran all the way up here to around that 50-ish cent level. Obviously 50 cents being a big psychological round number as well. But currently, XRP looking like it is doing fairly well, isn't it? Let's be honest, you can see here, our bear market, we've had lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. We came down, big capitulation. We come down here, we make at least an equal high, maybe even, this is still a lower high, isn't it? But we've actually made a higher low in this area here, or, at the very least a double bottom. And we've actually come up, we've made our higher high, haven't we? And we're looking like we are back testing our higher low here. So you could say theoretically, this could be an uptrend. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And then if you do see ourselves coming up, breaking this level of resistance here, you could be looking at targeting some of these levels up here for, a bit of an uptrend like this for XRP, especially if we see that SEC case being resolved in XRP's favor. We've seen how many companies, how many crypto, basically everyone in cryptocurrency is supporting XRP now, even Coinbase. So it's pretty obvious to us that we are going to be seeing probably some upside for XRP pretty damn soon, in our opinion, on the token's value. And we do think sooner rather than later we are going to see a nice move to the upside for XRP. So very simply, if we're just taking a look at what's going on here, it's pretty obvious that we are just currently stuck under this resistance. But if we do break it and start to, come up through some of these levels, at the very least, we'll be targeting that swing high at 55 cents. There's a 038 up here at 60 cents. And that other bear market resistance up at 60 or 70 cents. But I mean, if we start getting through some of these key levels of resistance like this, and getting into an uptrend for XRP, which is what we're starting to see, then we're going to be looking at some very, very nice upside, most likely. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure to check out the links in the description below to support the channel. Grab yourself some free money bonuses, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.